to Hartley Explore. Today I'm going to stay. We are at Mossley Manor. It is an abandoned care home. I'm not sure why it's shut down yet. We'll probably find out while we're searching around here. But yeah, enjoy the adventure, guys. Tap it. No. Tap. There you go. Right, where's that bad stuff? There we go. Yeah.
Door we see upstairs, that must be to send food up.
Books down there. I might have to use my torch now.
See what you mean by moulder.
Yep. Jesus.
It's near water, near electrics as well.
Yeah. Oh, is that one of my friends? Is that my friend? It is. Shall you talk to her? Hey.
See the main switchboard?
Dude. Okay, now. You've seen that wall?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you? What it says there? Oh no. Holy, yeah, this is the bad part. Yeah. Holy toilet bowl, isn't it? Yeah. Jesus. Really not breathing in here, mate. Look. Yeah, toilet's down there. Yep. Yep. Washroom it is. Yeah.
So I should wash it more to dry.
Yeah.
Look, that's warm now.
Yeah.
See the condensation on it.
See the what?
Condensation.
Oh shit, yeah. Jesus. That's storage room. Lots of. Jesus, this is fucking bad.
Wow. More stairs.
More?
Got
No, I think he's got that. Concrete, all good. Obviously not. Oh yeah, that's that creepy fucking hallway again. So back this way now. Oh, that's yeah. Oh, it's that way, innit? There we go. Okay. Second it.
That's an old piano. You can tell by the keys.
Yeah.
Inside there as well.
That's it.
You can see it's all exactly how old it is.
Bathroom.
I do like that.
You know. That's it. Oh shit. Shit, whiteboard, loading that whiteboard. Alright.
That put me in an old office.
Yeah. Oh. Got thingy chairs. Oh shit, fucking right. Yeah, Jesus, they're old.
Very old.
Fucking hell. Oh shit. Sorry.
Yeah.
Let's fuck that room. Look at that wall, Jesus. That's bad.
That is bad, that. Open that smash there.
Yeah.
Before it's all legal place bad now. That's how I would have quite when playing football. So,
You know. It is.
Gets worse as well.
Another toilet.
Oh damn, you know. I've got a biggie list.
Wait for the stuff from upstairs.
That's a dodgy tutor, don't like that. Yeah, we're good. So it's a fucking brick there, isn't it? Fucking zero for you.
That'll be for like my toilet.
Yeah. Go on there. Oh shit, big torch down, shit. Flaps over there, I didn't even see him. Oh shit. It goes down. There's a dripping as well. Oh shit. Blueprint on it.
Little pipe.
Oh shit. Fuck's the bin? Where the fuck?
Oh yeah. It's up in the kitchen.
Yep. Oh. Check this box out. There's some socks. That's that. This room's really good. Fucking hell. Yeah, oh shit, to the next.
That's it.
Tripped over the book. This way on it. Was it this way? Yeah. Did you get that? Where did I come from? The logos there. That better be some fucking curtain or something, see it?
The first time.
That's a fucking curtain in there. Fuck for that. Fuck me, goes on. Wait. Smell that. It's getting back now.
So that's going to turn the corner.
Okay, I could up again.
Some stairs.
That was cool.
Probably what you can smell.
Yeah. Up another level. That's it. Alright. Yep. That's going to go all the way around that. Ah, shit. Oh. Look at that. Fucking pigeons. Oh shit, lights. Mate, watch out for pigeons. Some of them. You know, looking fly. There we go. Wait. That's right. Fucking hell.
Always a pay for that. I think it's that cupboard that I'd always pay for, I think.
Alright, let's go for this stuff again.
Oh, nothing worse.
Fire damage. Tons of fire in here. That's main doorway out. That's the top floor done.
Something to cover that.
I don't know. Yeah, it's just fine. That's a good to bottom. Right guys, that's going to be it for this care home, this manor. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.